Let's look at this question, and the question reads from my end. Mr. Ombim is a medical doctor staying in Migori town. He reports to work every day in the morning. The probability that he wears a mask in the morning is 3/5. Full stop. If he doesn't wear a mask, comma, the probability of being arrested by police is 5/7. Otherwise, it is 1/6. If he gets arrested by police, the probability of contacting the coronavirus is 4/5. Otherwise, it is 1/3. The first part of that question reads, draw a tree diagram to represent the above information, and that can give you 2 marks. So this is probability. Probability is all about a matter of chance that a particular event is going to occur or is not going to occur. So let's begin from this end. We shall always use what we call a tree diagram to represent a particular scenario or particular scenario that may actually get represented in a question, and this can help us further predict whatever may happen or may not happen in the future. So if you begin from this end, you can be able to have this as our tree diagram. This is our tree. You can write O, and O means the origin. So if this becomes our tree diagram, we can have O to stand for the origin, where we are actually beginning our tree diagram. And then we are going to have these two. Mr. Ombim is a medical doctor staying in Migori town. He reports to work every day in the morning. The probability that he wears a mask. So it is either wearing a mask, WM, that means wearing a mask, or not wearing a mask. So we have two possibilities, that this doctor working in Migori town wears a mask or does not wear a particular mask on a particular day in the morning when going to work. So origin then wears a mask, or origin not wearing a mask. We've been told that he wears a mask, and the probability of him wearing a mask is 3/5. So wearing a mask is 3/5. Then remember this, these two must add up to 1. That means if he wears a mask, it is 3/5. What about the remaining part of that? So we are going to say 1 as a whole number, because probability cannot exceed 1. So you say 1 minus 3/5. Correct. That is 2/5. So he does not wear a mask. We shall have 2/5. Right. Okay, let's proceed to the next part. So if he does not wear a mask, the probability of being arrested by police is 5/7. So does not wear a mask. So if he does not wear a mask, so he will obviously be able to get arrested. So not wear a mask. So arrested, not arrested. Because you can't wear a mask and then get arrested. That does not make sense. So the question says, if he does not wear a mask, he can either get arrested or not get arrested. So you can escape an arrest if you have not put on a mask. So wear a mask, 3/5. Not wear a mask, 2/5. So if you don't end up wearing a mask, you can get arrested or not get arrested. So not wear a mask, this person can get arrested. If he does not wear a mask, the probability of being arrested by police is 5/7. So you can say you get arrested 5/7. So not wear a mask, get arrested 5/7. So you cannot wear a mask and not get arrested, and you'll have a probability of 2/7. Why do I get 2/7? Because I've told you these two should give you 1. So you'll just come here and say 1 less 5/7. So you can get the corresponding fraction for not getting arrested. So 1 less 5/7. It gives you 2/7. So if he does not wear a mask and does not get arrested, you'll have a probability of 2/7. If he does not wear a mask and then gets arrested, that is 5/7. And I've said otherwise it is 1/6. Otherwise to mean, look at that. Look at that. So if he's not wearing a mask and he gets arrested, it is 5/7. If he's not wearing a mask and he does not get arrested, it's 2/7. But sometimes you can actually end up wearing a mask and as well you get arrested. You see? So wear a mask and get arrested, wear a mask and not as well get arrested. So they have said otherwise. That is to mean you've put on a mask and you are again arrested, or you've put on a mask and you're not arrested. So 1/6 is when you have put on a mask and you again get arrested. So 1/6. Otherwise, to mean the opposite of this. Not wear a mask, arrested. Not wear a mask, not arrested. Not wear a mask, arrested, 5/7. Not wear a mask, not arrested, 2/7. Otherwise, that is to mean wear a mask and arrested, or wear a mask and not arrested. So, wear a mask and arrested, 1/6. Then from a whole number 1, wear a mask and not arrested, you can have 5/6. Right. If he gets arrested by police, the probability of contracting the coronavirus is 4/5. So if he's arrested by police, the probability of contracting the coronavirus is 4/5. Let's see. Okay, so if he's arrested, so you can get arrested and contract the virus or not contract the virus. You can get arrested and contract the virus or not contract the virus. So let's see. So if he's arrested, he can contract the virus. So if he gets arrested by police, the probability of contracting the coronavirus is 4/5. So arrested and contract, 4/5. Look at that. Arrested and not contract. From a whole number 1, you'll have 1/5. So the same thing has to apply here. Arrested and contract, 4/5. Arrested and not contract, 1/5. Okay. Otherwise, that means not arrested and then still contract the virus. Look at that. So not arrested, can come here and say contract, not contract. Not arrested, contract, not contract. So otherwise to mean you are not arrested and you still contract the virus. So that means not arrested and then contract, 1/3. Not arrested, not contract, from a whole number, if this is 1/3, you'll have 2/3. Correct. Let's come back here. Not arrested and then contract, 1/3. Not arrested and not contract, 2/3. That is our tree diagram. Let's begin from this end. The origin. He can either wear a mask on a particular morning when going to work, or the doctor can decide not to actually wear a mask. So on wearing a mask on a particular morning, the probability is 3/5. Not wearing a mask on that same particular morning is 2/5 from a whole number. So 3/5 from 1, you have to actually end up remaining with 2/5. This person can wear a mask and get arrested, or cannot wear a mask and then still get arrested. So not wear a mask and then get arrested, 5/7. Not wear a mask and then not get arrested, 2/7. It gives you a whole number. Now they said otherwise to mean you have worn a mask, then you are not arrested or arrested. So worn a mask then arrested, 1/6. Worn a mask and then not arrested, 5/6. That gives you a whole number. If you come here, they have told us that you can get arrested and then contract the virus. So if he gets arrested and contracts, 4/5. Arrested, not contract, 1/5. Then you come here also. Arrested and contract the virus, 4/5. Arrested, not contract, 1/5. And they've said otherwise. That is to mean not arrested and then contract, or not contract. So not arrested and then otherwise, that means 1/3 contract. 2/3 not contract. Not arrested, then contract, 1/3, not contract, 2/3. That is our tree diagram, and that can give you 2 marks. Let's go to the next part of that question. They have said, determine the probability that he wears a mask but contracts the virus. He wears a mask, then contracts the virus. So you can say, probability of wear a mask, you see, get arrested, then contract the virus. Okay? Or probability of wear a mask, look at that, not you see, arrested and contract the virus. So this person can either wear a mask, get arrested, then contract the virus, or the person can actually wear a mask, not get arrested, then still contract the virus. Okay, so wear a mask 3/5, arrested 1/6, and contract the virus 4/5. Or means plus, anything along this line must get multiplied, right? So you'll say plus or all because there's a possibility of any of these occurring. Or the person can wear a mask 3/5, then not get arrested 5/6, and still contract the virus 1/3. Let's see what you can get from this. Okay, so let me see. So we have 3/5 multiplied by 1/6 multiplied by 4/5. Correct. That gives you 2/25. So 3/5, 1/6, 4/5, 2/25. So 2/25, then you say plus. Let's go to the next. And it is 3/5. I guess you can be able to see that. Multiply by 5/6, multiply by 1/3. That gives you 1/6. 1/6. So we'll say plus 1/6. So we shall just say 2/25 plus 1/6. 2/25 plus 1/6. That gives you 37/150 as your final answer. 37/150. Okay. So or means addition. So you can say 37/150. That becomes your final answer. The next part of that question says, the probability that he does not wear a mask and is not arrested by police. He does not wear a mask and is not arrested by police. So probability of not wear a mask and not arrested. Not wear a mask and not arrested. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Not wear a mask and not arrested. Does not wear a mask and is not arrested. Not wear a mask 2/5. Okay, not arrested 2/7. I guess that is enough. You don't wear a mask and you're not arrested. So that is the answer. So we'll come here and say from this end 2/5 multiplied by 2/7. That gives you 4/35. Okay. So 4/35. That becomes your final answer. The last part of that question reads, the probability that you contracted coronavirus. The probability that you contracted coronavirus. So probability of wear a mask, you are arrested and contract the virus. Yeah. Or probability of, you see, wear a mask, not arrested and contract the virus. That's also possible. Or probability that the person does not wear a mask, you see, is arrested and then contract the virus. Not wear a mask, arrested and then contract the virus. Or probability that, look at that, not wear a mask, not arrested and contract the virus. Those are all the possible outcomes. So let's begin our journey. I guess I don't know if you're actually able to see this, but I can just pick those values from that other end, from the tree diagram. So wear a mask 3/5 multiply by arrested 1/6. So wear a mask, arrested, and then contracts 4/5. Or means plus, you can see that. Then wear a mask 3/5 times not arrested 5/6 times contract the virus 1/3. Okay. Plus not wear a mask 2/5 times arrested 5/7, contract the virus 4/5. And the last one can come here. Not wear a mask 2/5, not arrested 2/7. Okay, not arrested 2/7, and times contract the virus 1/3. So it's just a matter of now picking our calculator and then plugging in those values for us to get the final answer. Let's start from here. I guess you can see very well. You have 3/5 multiplied by 1/6 multiplied by 4/5. That is 2/25. 2/25 plus the next one, 3/5 multiplied by 5/6 times 1/3. That gives you 1/6 plus 2/5 times 5/7 times 4/5. 8/35. 8/35, correct. And the last one, 2/5 multiplied by 2/7 multiplied by 1/3. That gives you 4/105. So we write here 4/105. So we shall add those 4 values for us to get the final answer, those 4 fractions. So we shall begin 2/25 plus 1/6 plus 8/35 plus 4/105. That gives you 77/150. So 77/150 becomes our final answer. So 77 out of 150 becomes our final answer. Correct. Thank you for your time.